Hi everyone, I'm Clara, and I'm so happy you're here today. We're going to have a really fun and useful conversation. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to My English Routine channel so you never miss tips that actually help you speak English confidently. Today, we'll explore a topic that's really important for everyone, talking about your goals in English. We'll see words like ambitious, consistency, and progress. They can be tricky at first, but I promise you'll understand them fully by the end. But before we start, here's the question of the day. What does it really mean to be ambitious? Don't worry, we'll look at it closely in our vocabulary review, and you'll be able to use it naturally in your own life. Stay with me, follow Jack, and see how these words come to life in a real conversation. Let's get started.
Hey, Emma. Morning. How's it going today?
Morning, Jack. I'm good, thanks. Just a busy day ahead. How about you?
Yeah, same here. Just trying to survive the morning coffee line. My coffee works harder than I do at 9 a.m.
I hear that. So, do you usually have a lot of meetings in the morning?
Yes, usually. But, I was thinking, how do you usually plan your goals at work? Like daily or longer term?
Oh, that's a good question. I usually set small goals each week and bigger ones for the month. What about you?
Well, I try, but sometimes I forget. I first start with good intentions, but then emails, meetings, it's like my goals disappear.
That happens to me too. I think it's normal. I just write things down now. It helps me remember and track progress.
Ah, that makes sense. I should try that. So, do you have any personal goals, not just work stuff?
Yeah, actually. I want to learn Spanish this year, and I plan to run a half marathon in the summer. What about you?
Oh, wow. That sounds ambitious. I guess my big goal is to be more consistent with exercise and maybe improve my English speaking little by little.
That's great. Improving English is always useful. And exercise, well, I think you can start small. Even 10 minutes a day is better than nothing.
Yeah, that's true. I sometimes forget that small steps count. So, do you track your progress for Spanish?
I do. I use an app, and I also try to speak with a friend once a week. It's fun, but challenging.
I see. Maybe I can try speaking English more with you, like now. Practice in real situations.
Absolutely. I can help. Just ask whenever you want.
Thanks, that's really helpful. Sometimes I feel a little nervous talking in English, even with colleagues.
Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes. It's normal. I learn from them too.
Yeah, you're right. Mistakes are just part of the journey.
Exactly. So, do you usually set specific goals for English, like vocabulary, speaking, listening?
Mostly speaking, I guess, and sometimes listening. Vocabulary is tricky for me because I forget new words fast.
Maybe you could make little flashcards or notes on your phone. Review a few words every day. That helps me.
Good idea. Yeah, I think I can do that. Even 2 or 3 minutes a day.
Perfect. Small steps. That's how we reach bigger goals.
Small steps, right. My morning steps sometimes feel like climbing a mountain.
I know that feeling.
So for exercise, do you have a routine? Or do you just go when you feel like it?
I try to have a routine. Morning runs on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and yoga or stretching in the evenings. How about you?
I don't really have a routine yet. I sometimes go to the gym, sometimes not. It's a little chaotic.
That's okay. You can start with a simple plan. Even 10 minutes at home counts.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe I can start tomorrow. 10 minutes, and slowly more.
That's the spirit.
Thanks, Emma. I feel a little more motivated now.
I'm glad. Setting goals can feel difficult, but small, steady steps really help.
Yeah, I guess the key is consistency, not speed.
Exactly.
By the way, do you ever reward yourself when you reach a goal?
Sometimes a small treat or a coffee. You?
Maybe I should. I usually forget, but a coffee sounds nice. Actually, I think I'll get one after finishing this chat.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, I better get back to work before my small steps turn into nothing.
Good idea. See you later, Jack.
See you, Emma. Thanks for the chat. Very helpful.
Hey, Jack, you seem more cheerful than usual.
Yeah, that conversation really helped. Talking about goals feels easier than I thought.
I'm glad. Small steps really do make a difference.
Absolutely. And next time, I'll have even more progress to share.
Can't wait to hear about it. Jack, before we finish for today, let's go over some words we used in your chat with Emma. It's always fun to remember them.
Oh, yes, that sounds great. I want to make sure I really remember and use them next time.
Perfect. Let's start with a simple one. Do you remember goal?
Of course. That's, what you want to achieve, right?
Exactly. A goal is something you aim for, like running a half marathon or learning a new language.
Yeah, like when I said I want to exercise more regularly. That's my personal goal.
Perfect example. And in work life, setting weekly goals is also very common.
Oh, I see. So even small steps can be goals too. That makes it easier to start.
Exactly. Speaking of small steps, that was another phrase you used.
Right. I said something like, even 10 minutes a day is better than nothing. That's small steps.
Yes, it's when you do little actions consistently toward a bigger goal.
That's funny, because sometimes my small steps feel like climbing a mountain in the morning.
I know that feeling, but it really shows that progress is progress, no matter the size.
Nice. That makes sense.
Another useful word we mentioned is routine.
Ah, yes, routine. That's what you do regularly, like my morning coffee or Emma's exercise days.
Exactly. A routine helps you organize your day and stay consistent with your goals.
I guess my routine needs a little work. My gym visits are chaotic.
That's okay. Building a routine takes time.
Yeah, I can start small. 10 minutes tomorrow and slowly more.
Perfect approach. And then we also talked about progress.
Right. Progress is how much you move forward toward a goal.
Exactly. You can track progress with small milestones, like learning 5 new words a week or running 1 extra kilometer.
Oh, I always forget that tracking is part of progress. Makes it more motivating.
Exactly. And speaking of motivation, we also said motivated.
Yeah, I felt more motivated after talking with Emma. That's when you feel like you really want to do something.
Perfect. Motivation can come from friends, results, or even little reminders.
Like coffee reminders. My coffee is my little motivation sometimes.
I get that. Now, another word we used is consistency.
Ah, consistency. That's doing things regularly, right? Not just once or twice.
Exactly. It's what makes small steps effective. You need consistency to reach bigger goals.
Oh, I see. So exercise every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that's consistency.
Yes, that's a very good example. And then there's track, as in tracking progress.
Right, like writing things down or using an app to see what I achieved.
Exactly. Tracking helps you see improvements and keeps you motivated.
Nice, that's a useful tip. I should definitely track my English and exercise goals.
Absolutely. Now, let's finally clarify the word we asked our viewers at the beginning ambitious.
Oh, yes, I remember Emma said her goals were ambitious. I wasn't sure I fully got it.
Ambitious means having big plans or wanting to achieve something challenging.
Ah, okay, so running a half marathon and learning a new language in a year, that's ambitious.
Exactly. And being ambitious can be at work, at home, or in hobbies.
Oh, I see. I can be ambitious with learning English, maybe try speaking with a new friend every week.
Perfect example. Or planning a bigger project at work, or saving money for a trip.
Yes, ambitious, but in a good way, not scary.
Exactly. And now, viewers, think about ambitious goals in your own life. How would you use this word for work, school, or hobbies?
Yeah, don't just copy a sentence. Imagine real-life examples. Maybe your ambitious goal is learning a new skill or joining a club.
That's right. And remember the other words too: goal, small steps, routine, progress, motivated, consistency, and track.
I like that recap. I feel ready to use them naturally in real conversations now.
Perfect. And if you want more practical tips like this, subscribe to My English Routine channel and click the bell.
Practice, think of your own examples, and enjoy using English naturally.
See you in the next conversation.
Can't wait.